Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to raise the question 171/2015 on this order paper. To ask the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport, can the Honourable Minister inform the House what measures government is taking to ensure the bus transport services to Tonia village, Tailevu, resumes? Thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I'll also thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, what measure government is taking? Madam Speaker, expression of interest on the bus service for that village was published in the Fiji Sun on the 22nd November 2014 by the LTA. Madam Speaker, in light of this, government through LTA and FRA has worked towards the provision of public transport services. FRA has upgraded this road to Rural Service License Standard Access, in which LTA has granted approval for the 2 RSL license to service this route for both school children and the adult passengers. Fiji Road Authority is closely working with the Office of the Commissioner to see that this road is programmed in next year's budget. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
Speaker, supplementary question.
Supplementary question, the Honourable Karabaki.
Given, Madam Speaker, that the process of granting rural road route license may take time, and the people are continuing to face transport problems, can the Honourable Minister inform this House whether a provisional license could be granted now, immediately, so that the needs, the transport needs of the people to Tonia, could be addressed at the moment before any final decision is made on the expressions of interest that has been advertised? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, there is no real issue. The RSL is being provided to service the public over there. So what's the issue? Madam Speaker, the reason why FRA has not agreed for the bus service on that road at the moment because of the safety measure. They have their standards. And because of that, we are working closely with the Commissioner Central's office to make sure that it is programmed for next year's budget. And I've assured the Honourable Member. Thank you.
Supplementary question, the Honourable Ngawako.
Madam Speaker, we visited Tonia village, Madam Speaker. Beautiful, beautiful village, Madam Speaker, up in the hills. I wish my colleagues on the other side would have visited the village. They told us, Madam Speaker, the bus company is willing to provide service, happy with the condition of the road. But somehow there's some delay somewhere. Can we just make a decision to provide that service instead of using all this bureaucratic process to slow this thing? They know the company is there, the company is willing to do it, but somehow it's being held back. Madam Speaker, thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
I am happy that he has visited that area. Madam Speaker, I have just said that FRA has inspected that road, and that road is not suitable for bus service yet. And that is why we have issued RSL, so that public at large is being serviced. And I've also mentioned that we are working very closely with Commissioner Central's office to program that for next year's budget. What's wrong with that?
No transport.
Madam Speaker, 2 RSL has been issued. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the Honourable Nulaki Barata.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The issue here is the bus transport. The issue of RSL doesn't solve the problem, because the RSL only takes the children when they go to school. If individuals from the villages along Tonia want to come to the main road, individuals have to charge a carrier to bring them to the main road. The question is, what time the bus service to provide service to the public? This road here has been the main road to Bunindawa in the colonial days. It hasn't changed. The bus is to service that road. Why can't it be serviced now?
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, for last 20 years there has been no bus service. Where were all these governments? What is he talking about? Huh? You go and check.
Honourable
For last
Minister.
20 years, there has been no bus service provided. This government is working towards to make sure that bus service is provided. Thank you.